mates display to each other the exuberant dances that retain a gangly grace. Sandhill crane populations are generally strong, but isolated populations in Mississippi and Cuba are endangered. Philip is in the bird sanctuary of Redington Shores in Florida and is living his best life. Check out his beautiful crimson cat and his wonderful demeanor. He'll look you in the eye and he'll make you feel loved.
Kudos to Philip.
Let's give it up for
The Birds
Philip,
of Redington Shores.
Bird of the Month.
Part 11.
Kudos
What
to
do you
Philip.
know about the Sandhill crane?